Okay guys, so I want to make a stir fry, and I want to use my bok choy to put in this stir fry. So I'm here going to harvest some of my bok choy so that I can put, I'm making a bok choy, string bean, and red bell pepper stir fry. So let's get some of these bok choy leaves to put in our stir fry. Actually, I prefer bok choy over pak choy. I really like bok choy. It's not as big as pak choy. So I have some bok choy leaves. I'm going to use this for a stir fry. Right, let's see if there's any string beans that we can get. Alright, so we have a string bean here. I'll go ahead and, okay, I think I need to get my scissors. So one string bean, I can go, maybe I could cut this one as well. I'll leave this one still. Okay, so I'll take these two string beans. This one has a little baby one coming up. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut the string bean here. I'm trying to hold the camera and cut at the same time. There you go. 1, 2. 2 string beans. Okay guys, so here I have my veggies for my stir fry. So I have some string beans from the garden, bok choy from the garden, some red bell pepper, and some onion. Okay, so this is the veggies that I'm going to use for my stir fry. Okay, so I have some oil in my pot here. I'm going to add my onion. I'm going to add my ginger garlic paste. I'm going to sprinkle a little sea salt on my onion. Not much. Alright, so now that my oil is flavored, I'm going to add in my string beans because they will take a little longer to cook, and my bell pepper. Now in order to flavor my string beans and my bell pepper, I'm going to add some gluten-free oyster sauce. Say about 1 tablespoon. Actually this bottle is practically finished, so I got about 1 tablespoon, I would say. Alright, so I'm going to cover this a little bit so that the string beans get to cook for a few minutes. Let me just turn down the fire to low, and then I'm going to cover this. Actually, what I'm going to do now, because I want a little sauce for this, so I have some chicken broth here with some cornstarch. I'm just going to stir it. So I'll get a little sauce. So I'm going to add that to it now. And then lastly, I will add in my bok choy. Alright, so let me add that here. So that will thicken up, give me a little sauce. Stir it. Alright, so about now I will just throw in my bok choy. And this bok choy will wilt. So that's why I didn't cut it up, because the leaves are already small, so I didn't see the need to cut it. You see how it's already wilting. Alright, see this for maybe a minute, and then we will turn off the fire. Actually guys, I'm not going to leave it for a minute. Turning it off now. So I left it for about 20 seconds. I think that's good enough. There we have our stir fry.